Good afternoon bike fans and welcome to the video of this lovely little Suzuki SV650. Stonking bike, these have been going a long time and they are just super reliable. 72 brake horsepower, so you can restrict them to do the A2 licence, or you can just ride them as they are. They're good on fuel, good for commuting, and just enough poke to have some fun on a Sunday as well if you want to have a ride in the sunshine. This one is a 23 plate, registered in March 23, so it's just over a year old. A one owner bike with 978 miles from new, so it's hardly been used. They come with ABS from the factory, but that's the only computer added aid. Other than that, it's just rev and go, dead easy to ride, and that's it. Beautiful clean condition, just over a year old, can't get better than that. If you do fancy it, pop on down to the shop or give us a call. Thank you for watching. My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.